Of the groom. How about a round of applause for our bridal party next to mine?
This beat inside my bones, it goes electric.
And I stand for Kelly, the certified champion.
So my feet, I feel that hurt in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't stay.
How about a nice stand for Amy, escorted by Dan?
I'm getting you close when we move.
And I stand for Gigi and Brandon. And we have been searching for our maid of honor, Amy, and our best man, Jamil. And ladies and gentlemen, at this time, if we could all rise, we want you to give a nice big round of applause to Lulu and Abraham, our brand new husband and wife. Everybody. Thank you.
I had no idea that my new boss would become my best friend and one of the most important people in my life. We spent almost every day together, and I quickly noticed that she was the most kind, generous, selfless, loyal, and hardworking person I'd ever met. I knew she was destined for great things, and I knew I was unbelievably lucky to have her as my friend. At work, work, she constantly talked about her boyfriend Abe, who she was crazy about, but I could not imagine that anyone could possibly be worthy of such an amazing woman. Once I finally met him, I was proven wrong. Although I was skeptical and overprotective, he proved himself to be equally as kind, generous, and hardworking as my beautiful best friend. Most importantly, he adores her. I've watched Lulu and Abe fall deeper and deeper in love, conquer hardships, hit milestones, moving in together, getting engaged, buying a house, and now getting married. And I'm convinced that they're two of the strongest people I've ever met, and an even stronger pair. Their love is something I've been lucky enough to witness grow and evolve, and they've shown me that true love is something that you hold on to and you fight for. Watching them through the years, I know that their love is one that will withstand time, and I can't wait to watch them continue to build their empire together. I love you both so much, and thank you for letting me be a part of your wonderful story. So everybody raise a glass to Lulu and Abe. And
Kids, love you
How
guys.
about that, everybody? A nice hand for our maid of honor, Amy.